With the growing challenge of aging assets and the requirement to repair existing infrastructure, TechnoWrap can help to extend the operational performance of your assets. Established by Walker Technical in 1992, TechnoWrap is now part of the ICR Group and a market leader in engineered composite solutions, carrying out tens of thousands of repairs worldwide. The versatile product range offers practical and cost-effective solutions capable of rehabilitating pipelines, pressure systems, and structural components that have been damaged or weakened by corrosion. The range combines either triaxial glass or quadraxial carbon fiber, combined with a variety of epoxy resins that are suitable for a range of design or environmental requirements. Composite repairs can be used for repairing internal and external corrosion, through-wall defects, as well as mechanical damage and cracks under certain conditions. They are suitable for use on pipework and piping components, valves and flanges, as well as repairs in the splash zone. We also have significant experience repairing structural components, including decks, roofs and walkways, beams, caissons and risers, blast walls, tanks, and vessels. TechnoWrap can be designed for high pressure and high temperature environments, and in many cases can be applied live with no shutdown required, saving time and money, avoiding major impact on production. Our products are internationally recognized, tested and qualified to ISO 24817 and ASME PCC2 and have been audited by independent third parties Lloyd Register, ABS and DNV. Our engineering team can provide a 24/7 response where each custom design calculation is carried out to code requirements and validated by a range of testing. Should added assurance be required, ICR can provide client-specific testing and finite element analysis for complex design scenarios. ICR has experience across a range of industries, both on and offshore. We are continuously looking at ways to enhance our longevity and assurance through our technological innovation and R&D. By providing TechnoWrap training to our international partner network, we can significantly reduce our global travel and emissions and help to support local economies. At ICR, we offer high-quality engineered solutions with a continuous focus on safety, efficiency, and reliability.